Guys, today is a very special day. So a lot of intros. I'm pretty sure y'all already see Bobby's channel, Con's channel, similar videos, similar backgrounds. So I'm just gonna take you around. Then later I talk to you one-on-one, okay? Been to a showroom where I actually want to chill. I mean, you've seen the interior design, you've seen the cars that are available, you've seen the cafe area. So amazing. I mean, this place, this company, Western Circle, they actually incorporated what a lot of people, I think, aim to do, which is a very lifestyle focus, but also having an automotive sense of things in one. So as you can tell, there's definitely a showroom with cars, cabriolets to be exact. And this area, which is so like a cafe, you really would just come here and chill. Like I would just come here and chill. There's like points, I can do my work here. I mean, you sit here, you look at cars, that's like the dream. You know how you just want to sit and you want to park your car where you can see it and you just sit down and you're like, yeah, it's a good car. This is what this is, and it's so amazing. The best part is it's all cabriolets, guys. Sorry. And I think it's a very bold move. I always respect people who are willing to stand for something instead of always being politically correct. So opening a cabriolet showroom, that's amazing. I mean, we all know how people perceive cabriolets, how people perceive drop-tops, like it's not practical, how can you make a living, why would you want to get a car like that, it's so noisy, it's not comfortable. You know, there's all this perceived notion of cabriolets, but they're like, holy shit, let's do this! And I super applaud. Yes, of course, because I love drop-tops. It's amazing, you know? It's really something different, and the thing is they did it in Penang. Penang is so awesome because balik Pulau you just drive there, wow, and then there's a series, and then there's like the mountains, there's like everything here, and the food here is so good. If y'all ever come to Penang, y'all have to try this. And the best part about it is it's called Drop the Top. Never in my life, right, I would imagine a place that is called Drop the Top. I mean, I started with my Miyata and I just wanted to tell you, you know, Drop the Top, everyone has to experience this. Everyone has to experience the cabriolet feeling of really dropping the top and just enjoying everything around you with no phone, nothing. And just listen to music, listen to the atmosphere, and just enjoy driving your car. I mean, yeah, your car is going to take you from point A to point B, but there's so much in between that point A to point B. There's so much in between that you can experience with your car. When you drop the top, it's open-ended. You blast your music, listen to your music, and really, I feel like you have a closer connection to everyone else around you. I know everyone's like, so dangerous, what if this, what if that. You take precautions, you don't put everything on your seat, put it in the boot, you check, you lock it, and you just enjoy that moment. You know, sometimes when you're rushing on a day-to-day basis and you're just stressed out, so many things to do. So when you drive from, let's say, point A to point B to point C, in between those times, what do? You cannot use your phone. You shouldn't use your phone. Just enjoy the drive. And what more to enjoy it in a car which you love? Drop the top, see everything around. Why not? So cool. So I really applaud this company and for them to open Cabernet Showroom. I really went crazy when I saw all the Cabernets rolling in. It was really something. Just for me to really like tell everyone, enjoy the moment. If not now, then when? You know, I foresee like if I actually start a family and financially I might not be capable of keeping my NC practically. Yeah, I might sell it. I know I always say I'll take it to the grave, but for me, family always comes first, no matter what. So if not now, then when? I'm so happy that Bobby actually rushed me to get my NC because that opened the door to so many other things. And right now, it's opening the door to the Drop the Top showroom. It seems so surreal to me. Like I won't believe it until I see that signboard on top of this place saying Drop the Top. It's really like such a momentous location for me. And the other best thing about today, I finally got my paper for 1 year. You know how difficult it is? Okay, it's not difficult, it's just expensive also. It's difficult, number one, and it's expensive to find your parts here, super expensive. Come check this place out. This will be our northern clubhouse in northern region. So happy! I think I will like happily come here anytime. Like, oh, go today, me, Huang and Ricky, me. Come here and just chill. The place is nice. It's so pleasing to the eyes. It's such a nice atmosphere to be around, and camera links everywhere. Why not, right? So yeah.
Guys, this is my favorite part I show you. So you see this coffee machine? Doesn't it look like black? But then show you. It's actually like emerald green. It's a freaking carpet on a freaking coffee machine. This is crazy. And they actually took the paint from Mercedes-Benz. So really, it's like they really put so much detail into the things that they do. I'm really so impressed. And we'll definitely be doing so many other things here. I mean, now there's a photography workshop going on. Definitely more stuff. Like I will always opt for Penang. It's so nice. Like even I1 law. And when I1 is really like I feel it's something, because usually when I see things that are like but this one is like nice. Correct target market.